Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can recover a deleted campaign in Facebook Ads Manager. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your Ads Manager or Ads account on Business Facebook right here. And right after that, we are then going to use the search function. So just click on the search by name, ID, or filter. From here, you want to scroll down and look for delivery. Inside delivery, just select the campaign delivery, and then for values, you want to make sure that you uncheck all of the boxes right here and only select the deleted one. Click on the apply button, and from there you will be able to simply go ahead and look at all of your deleted campaigns. Unfortunately, you cannot go ahead and recover your deleted campaign, but what you can do is to duplicate it and run that specific deleted campaign. From there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.